This is the second part of the video of how to solve quadratic equations. So we had factorizing, which is the first method you must know, and then we have using the quadratic formula, and we have completing the square, and finally graphically. So in the first video we covered how to use the factorizing method. Now in this video we are going to use the quadratic formula. So what is the quadratic formula? So the quadratic formula is probably the easiest method out of the four, and the formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. This you must memorize for the exam and you must know how to use it. So let's start on a question, and the first question is solve x squared plus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. So a is 1, b is equal to 5, and c is equal to 3. Now we just substitute these values into our formula. So we get x is equal to minus 5, which is minus b, plus square root of b squared minus 4ac. So 5 squared minus 4 times by 1 times by 3. And that's divided by 2a. And 2a is 2 times by 1. We do the same procedure, however it has to be x is equal to minus 5 minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So the two solutions that we get for this is x is equal to minus 0.7 or x is equal to minus 4.3. Now that's the first question done, and we'll move on to the second example. So in this example, the question is solve 2x squared plus 13x plus 7 is equal to 0. A is equal to 2, b is equal to 13, and c is equal to 7. It's the same procedure. We plug these values into the formula. So we have x is equal to minus b, so minus 13, plus or minus square root of 13 squared minus 4 times by 2 times by 7 divided by 2a. So divided by 2 times by 2. Now when we plug these values into the calculator, so we do the plus first and then we do the minus after. So the two answers you guys should get is x is equal to minus 0.59 or x is equal to minus 5.91. And you can check if the solution works by plugging this back into the quadratic equation. Now let's go on to the third example, and this question is solve 3x squared minus 2x minus 13 equals 0. Same method, write out what a, b and c is. A is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 2, and c is equal to minus 13. So as b is equal to minus 2, in the beginning we're going to have minus minus 2. So the negative is going to cancel out to give a positive. So we have x is equal to minus minus 2 plus or minus the square root of minus 2 squared minus 4 times by 3 times minus 13. Make sure to use brackets when you substitute these values into the calculator. So if you plug it into your calculator correctly, the two values that you should get are x is equal to 2.44 or x is equal to minus 1.77. And that's the last example done for this video. If you have any questions in regards to this topic, please ask me in the comment section below and I'll try to help out.